Welcome to Jurassic Park.
नहीं तो नहीं आता तो I'll be happy only. आती हैं घर को वो क्या The descent is too steep. We'll have to be very careful. We have to go back to HBR layout. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃𝗿𝗃 with Thailand Diaries Part 4. Today we are heading towards a lot of islands from Koh Samui. We'll be going by a speedboat. So we've done checking in and stuff, and I've got my band as well. I hope you can see it. So now we'll be boarding the speedboat and going into some other islands. Okay, let's go then. It's time to board the speedboat. Spider-Man too.
Hey, here! Water drink! Water or cola? Now call my staff, call my team. Okay, put your hand up, call my staff, call my team, okay? Don't move. On the way, sometimes have the bumpy, have the wave, bang, 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 bang. Okay, not easy for you. Unadin, put your hand up. My staff to service.
1 hour drive. 1 hour boat drive to our snorkeling destination. The skies are very clear luckily today, so anyway it's very good. Let's go to these islands. All set to jump.
And who's sure about your good swimming, you can take off your life jacket and take off your snorkel. And you're not sure about your swimming, please wear life jacket, save your life. And who's not smoking, just in front of the boat, not inside at here, because at the floor have a lot of gasoline. Sometimes when you ride the boom, everyone BBQ.
Snorkeling equipment provided. Cheers.
Hello,
Done with the snorkeling, now we're heading to another island for kayaking. So let's go. It's time for packing now.
Yay, fun!
Hold it for me, come on.
मैं float करती हूँ उधर.
Bro, let's do kayaking first. Where are the kayaks?
मालूम है. मैं मुंबई गया था.
कौन है?
ये टीम.
मुंबई के? हाँ वो तो मराठी बात करते.
ये दादा की
वॉशरूम यूज करना है.
पानी चाहिए
वॉशरूम. बाथरूम.
No, I'm good. तुम जाओ इसको.
I don't know कितनी काफी की तैयारी.
Cylinder Harpic 5x complete.
Run fast. All the good kayaks will get over. I want a solo one. Babe, solo nahi.
Hello, ready, my part. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, my friend. I need two. Yeah. Okay. Two. You are 8 people.
Okay, take that. Sticky situation. Wait. Sit down. Don't. Hey, no, dude, you have to get down. चलो अंदर ढक लो. Can't believe this shit is real. The GoPro clip fell down.
अब कैसा बैठना है यहाँ?
पकड़ो तो मैं बैठ जाता हूँ. Okay, all set. Okay, जाओ. होता है.
कहाँ होता है?
होता. आ जाओ.
बहुत ऊंचा है.
होता जाओ.
कहाँ होता? मैं अंदर चले जा रही हूँ.
चलो पीछे ढकला ले तो तुम्हें आ जाओ. जल्दी फास्ट. Okay, take. No. We are going behind. Wait. Okay, finally. चलो. Okay. बराबर से बैठो. Relax. Kayaking in the Gulf of Thailand. Right. Okay, go straight. Paddle. Paddle meaning not on the left, dude. Right, left. Paddle. इंग्लैंड से. चलो. हाँ वो आइलैंड तक जाएंगे. चलो ठीक है. 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट. ऑफ वाटरिंग स्टार्ट.
समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
सीधा. राइट. लेफ्ट.
MashaAllah.
Left, dude. Left means fuck. You have to turn to the right, dude. Forgot about already. Ooh. Some makeup auntie from India. She doesn't want to do any activity. I don't know why she paid also to come on the speedboat, I guess. Makeup auntie. एक ही मेकअप आंटी थी इंडिया के. उन्हें पूरा अकेला कर ले रहा हूँ. खाली अंदर ही बैठ को है. उसका मस्कारा खराब होता रहेगा. नहीं तो नहीं आता तो I'll be happy only. आती है घर को वो. क्या? Row the boat. ठहरो मैं बोलता हूँ 3, 2, 1 राइट ओके पैडल करते हैं राइट लेफ्ट मारना साथ में ओके 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट पैडल नॉट टॉस वाटर ऑन मी डूड पुश वाटर वेयर इज द फोर्स ऐसा HBR लेआउट पे चले जाएंगे हमें बहुत डीप अंदर चले जा रही है राइट ले लो लेफ्ट ले लो सॉरी रो 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 द बोट Mrs. Rock and Roll Rider has got really offended because of her we almost rammed into a big rock. We rammed into a big rock, almost rammed into a big rock. We would have encountered a Titanic kind of situation now. But luckily I saved the boat from sinking. What?
Always regretting his decision.
What? I never regret any decision.
Always be and what if.
What?
What if conditions.
What if?
Right food.
Full session. Dude, not everyone's scared like you, dude.
Okay, then I will sleep.
Sleep, who's stopping you? Just be careful. Sea urchin will bite you.
Feet to come and टूट जाते हैं ना ऐसे बैठे तो.
तुम्हारी हर एक चीज टूट जाती है तो सोएंगे नहीं तो. Come on, Mrs. Rock and Roll Rider. Rider's back. Come on. Take us back. Come on. There's no fun in what? Huh? In?
यहाँ के कितने में?
यहाँ के?